Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 308. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 6. 5 here, so 1, 6. 6 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 4, 4 here, so 1, 5. So it looks like the only place the 4 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this row, we're missing 2 and 9. With that 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column, we're missing 6 and 7. I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this top row now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. And that 9 makes this our 7. And that 7 makes this our 6, 7. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. And that 6 makes this our 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here, so our 9 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 1, 3. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. And for this last box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 8 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.